Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have Acura RDX. The remote is not working fine. You know, like door lock, unlock, one button work, one button doesn't work. So we are trying to program an extra key. One key, this key doesn't start. See, if I put the key in the ignition, you see the security light flashing, and that means the car will not start. So I'm gonna try to add a key or delete all the keys. So I'm using these tools. Hopefully it's clear. Click next, and then Acura by vehicle, look for RDX. Click next. 2011. I don't see 2000. Okay, let me see. Hopefully we're gonna start. This machine needs to be updated. Ignition is on. Connected. All key lost. Because I need to clear all the code that we have it before. Okay, so turn the key on. How many key you want? 2 key. Okay, say yes. It's calculating. I'm gonna turn the AC off. Where is it? Okay, hold on. Do I have AC on here? Okay, anyhow. What do you say? Turn the ignition off. So I'm gonna turn the key off. It will sense the ignition off right away. Turn it on. So we'll start calculating. It's a failure, I don't know why. Okay, add 1 key. Let me see why. How many key? 1, 2. Okay, what do you say? Turn the key off. On. So please wait. Within 5 seconds, turn the ignition off. I did. Insert the new key quick. So I take this one out. I put the other one in. I turn the key off. So you have to do this in 15 seconds. 15 seconds, turn the key off. Turn the key on. Off. On. This is the light go on. Is the immobilizer light go off? I will say okay for okay, yes. So I'm gonna say yes. Turn the key off. On. It's a success. So now this is the original key. Car start. I'm gonna take this one and put the one that before the security light is blinking. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna turn it there. See, security light is gone. So I'm very happy that my key is good. Now we have one problem. It's gonna work, door lock, unlock automatically, or I have to program it. So I'm gonna put the key inside, now the programming section. Turn the key on, push one button, turn it off. On, push the button, off. On, off. On. You're gonna hear lock and unlock. That's it, you program. You can do for this one also. Lock. This one is no good. It have a problem. This button is no good. So I'm gonna take it out. This is a lock, unlock. See here? Lock. See? Work fine. Yes, now I'm gonna have, at least we have one working key, and all the other key was been deleted, so there will be no another key from our side. I will click yes, success, okay, and that's case closed. I'm gonna escape it, and voila, we have a working key and everything is perfect. Thank you for watching.